Greetings Earthicans! Today I got a Timberland Chronograph watch with a Miyota caliber 0S10 movement. This isn't so much about the Timberland Chronograph itself, nice, as I'll be mostly focusing on this Miyota movement, as this particular one is used to certain watches, such as the Citizen Edifice watches and the Fossil Speedways. I believe certain Skagen watches have them, or Skagen, however you pronounce them. This particular Miyota caliber movement takes a button cell 395 battery. To get the battery out of this movement, there's a small metal tab that you pull on, and the negative contact acts as a spring to kind of push the battery up. When prying the battery out, make sure you push a bit down on the movement so that it doesn't pop out while you're trying to take the battery out. With a fresh battery, push it in opposite to the tab that you pull, and then pull the tab while carefully pushing the battery in until it is snug and in place. Your battery service is now complete, and your watch should now be working. From this point on, I'll be talking a bit about this Timberland watch, and going through some of its chronograph features that the movement also uses. I'll be honest, I don't know too much about this watch. It looks very early / mid 2000s and does not have a model number. It does have some fun text on the rear that just talks about elements and stuff, but other than that, it's not really a watch I like. Anyways, back to talking about the movement itself. It has a top and bottom button basic kind of chronograph setup where you push the top button to start and stop the chronograph itself, and then the bottom one should reset it. Now on this watch, as you see, it is just 1 second or 1 tick ahead, so I have to pull out the crown and keep pressing the top button in order to reset it. And then here, I just do a quick test to make sure everything looks good, and everything works. And that's pretty much it for this watch. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please feel free to leave a like or a comment, and I'll see you next time. Take care.